Back at it again, 7-Eleven. Aldo wants coffee, but like, I don't know which one. Go count to 10. 1. That's it? That's all you know? That's not the password.
Hi! Hello!
No. Ah, 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 take it off! Take it off! You're hurting Stitch. Ah, ah, take it off! No, she's petting. She just put her hand on there.
For a train, but cat's priority.
Wow.
Hello. See you later.
Come on, Tanya! Tanya, there's a car! Come on, come on! Come on, come on! Oh, there's a car behind you!
There's a car behind you!
Yeah, I said there's a car behind you!
There's a car behind you!
There's a car behind you! There's a car behind you! Oh my god, I keep forgetting it's Christmas time and I'm like, cute. A Christmas tree. That's not how you play.
No, I have a rock. You think you're gonna cut the rock? See, now you are.
This is tiny. What did I get? Earl Grey. Brown sugar, Earl Grey. Almond milk tea. Ooh, oh that's so sweet. I really don't need a tote, but like, it's so tempting. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it, but it's so cute. Okay, like cute. I don't wear bandanas anymore, but if I did, I would. Look how cute these spoons are. I kind of want one. Everything fits in the tote. Oh my god. Boo? She's over there. Wow. Bruh. Hey, where are you going, girl? I kind of like this jacket though. Right, it's so expensive. But look how soft it is.
That one I'm watching.
The purple one?
Tinky Winky. Who's this?
I keep getting claustrophobic in all these stores when there's too many people. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. I didn't even see that. Stop. This is so cute. I have a bib.
Just one.
From Mrs. Spill.
Just like.
Arigatou gozaimasu. This whole process, we are very confused. We don't know what we ordered. What's going on? Oh, that one's mine. The fried noodle. Oh, no. You're gonna flush me away?
Yeah. After you.
Where? Is it heavy? Where are you going? Oh, shoot, careful! Wee! You're making me dizzy, girl. You're gonna push me? Violent! She wanted to push me. Wow, say cheese. We're just fucking jaywalked right now. Whoops. What's bopuyao?
Is this yours?
What's at the Randi's?
Is this yours?
Yeah, you want to brush my hair?
Yeah. I'll
brush my hair.
hair like this.
Yeah, wow. What's bopuyao?
And bopuyao.
What does it mean? Brush her hair.
Brush hair. I'll brush her pants.
Brush your pants. Are you brushing your pants? Bruh. Wow, thank you. What's bopuyao?
Bopuyao.
What does it mean?
Bopuyao.
What else do you know in Chinese? Is
Bopuyao.
that all you know?
Yeah.
You know Spanish? You know Spanish?
English.
English or Spanish?
And Spanish.
If you move. Are you moving?
If you move, you're a boy.
The other side.
You want another side? Okay. Is my hair too long?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When this hair done.
And it's done?
Yeah, trying.
You want to take it off?
Yeah. Take the other one off.
Take them both off? Yeah. This place is big. I don't even know where we're going. How do you guys know where you're going? I'm just following. Spiders? Where? Just don't look. Don't look at the spiders. Don't look. Is there a lot? Yes. As I said, ignorance is bliss. You don't look. I can't help it. Just don't look, bro. Hazel choco croissant. Ooh. Yum. It's kind of a vibe. What the? Move beach. Let's see if there's a better angle.
Yeah, they were.
Oh my god, why is it so loud?
Imagine you're down here like, why did it get so loud?
We just missed this. We saw it light up and we didn't even know what was gonna happen. Oh, it's so pretty though. Oh, the moon's pretty.
It's good, man.
With the dolls. Hey, where'd you go? Hey. Hey. It's like the Hannah Montana movie. Mitch, go. I'm too amused by this. Oh my god, oh my god. They're so loud down here. Can you keep it down? Can you keep it down? Thank you. Thank you. It's so pretty. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, the bathroom set. This. And the drawer here. Wicked. These are some nice bathrooms. I thought this said periods. Periods. Oh my god, it's so hot in my hands. This one shot. Ooh. What is this? It says per hour limes. Limes? What do you mean limes? Limes available for 24 hours? What? Dinner? Where are we? You know. Oh my god, it's such a vibe. It's so pretty. I love these little alleyways. There's no handrails. That's kind of scary. Japanese. So cute. Cute. Mm. 10 out of 10. I'm so full. I'm so busog. I'm so, how do you say it in Japanese?
What?
How do you say full in Japanese?
Nakaipai. That means your stomach's full.
Nakepai?
Oh, nakaipai.
Nakaipai? I'm so nakaipai.
Why are you saying
You're already saying it already.
Nakaipai.